kochakore higa manyien koloso e nyasi mar yango dwe mar tuo mar kansa mar thuno e laro mar ka thiethno. Dr. Peter Moth wacho ni e bwo chenro margi midendo ni 5-year action plan gichako thieth manono mar tuo mar kansa e kauntino. Dr. Moth wacho ni ma irigeto duoko chien omenda ma jotuo kansa tiyo godo ka gidhi manyo thieth e bombe maboyo machalo Kisumu, Eldoret gi Nairobi.
We are looking forward to really giving the chemotherapy come next year. For now, we have Osiptal here, which supports majorly the palliative care, please. And we are doing, somebody was asking me where I was seated here, Dr. E, clinical breast examination, how much does it cost? It costs nothing. It is free. So, if you can examine yourself, your breast, and you elicit some lump on it, you can come to the outpatient. Just come, you come for clinical breast examination. Utapata madaktari, you will be examined, you will be told, you are not suspicious in any way. We can do other tests like mammography, which we also do here.
Once we are here, my prayer is, as the County Assembly of Siaya, we are just requesting a Siaya patient. At least we have a chemotherapy center here, because going to Kisumu and Eldoret is hectic for us.
This initiative is a noble exercise. All of us, and I said all of us have got a breast. And cancer doesn't discriminate on the size of the breast. So we have also male suffering equally like women in terms of breast cancer. So can we take this message home that everybody should just go for medical checkup so that this breast cancer can be detected early and you begin medication?